going on, folks? Moving picker back again. Pick another challenge lock. This one was sent to me by Steel Pinions, I believe. Let's see. No, this one was sent to me by Primit1v3 NDE, and he's gonna be up in the corner. I don't know whose challenge lock this is, and Primitive is away from his computer for a few days, so I can't ask him. So I'm gonna pick it. If someone knows, leave it in the comments, and I will do what I can to get it updated. But yeah, we're going to pick this. Before I pick it, check us out in Discord. Link is in the description below. Amazing group of people there. Great community. You know, still pretty small. We're growing. So come join us. Help us grow. And we'll go ahead and pick this now. As I was talking about it at the end of my last video, I am going to start selling my pick stands and pinning trays. Same problem as the last one. I only have my small pinning trays, and that's still even one of my prototypes. That's not actually the newest design. I'm on like revision 4 of that. So I will be selling those. The big trays, depending on what kind of customization you want, those will be anywhere between 15 to 20 bucks, and the smaller trays, since it's just a name on it, probably about 7 to 10 plus shipping. Yeah, you buy enough stuff, I might throw in free shipping, but it's definitely not to like Europe or anywhere else. I can't afford to do that. Alright. This is a Praxis pick in a handle that Strami made me. This is a 15,000s Praxis. So let's see what we can get out of this lock. Now for a second there I thought we were open. That was quick. I didn't know what to expect from this one. Alright. I didn't know if I would get into it, so I had the Allen key just in case. Is it going to be long enough? Yep, looks like it. I was just looking for something I can use as a wrench to throw on the end of it, but looks like I don't need to. There we are. And stick that back by the lock. Let's see what we got in there, other than all kinds of awesome nasties. all kinds of goop up in there. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, I'm still in frame. If I was a better picker, I'd redo my Stock Luck Sunday video. I didn't stay in frame real well. Oh, that's too tight. Alright. But I'm not a better picker, so you guys are gonna have to get what you get. And all 6 pins are all 6 holes are populated, I think? No. Let's see here. Nope. Just 1 through 5. This one's got all kinds of ooey gooey nastiness in it, so the pins don't want to come out. It's almost picked like a brand new one of these. I got a couple of their older style Pro Series. And by their older style, I mean Master Lock. These are original Master Lock key pins, I'll tell you that. Got a ton of these things. Yep, nothing done to the core. Put that up so it quits rolling around on me. And let's see what we got up top. I'm not expecting a whole lot. Pretty much expecting a typical master pin out for 4 spools, 1 single serration. Yep, stock lock. All the same springs. For the most part, they're all copper. Nothing done to the core. Yep, so that one was kind of uneventful. Gooey goodness all over all my tools. Alright. Surprise stock lock. Alright folks. Check us out on Discord. If you're wanting a custom pinning tray, here's revision 2 of 4, so you kind of see what's going on. Only difference is the newer ones, I stopped the grooves a little shorter, gives you more room to dump pins up here and slide them down to wherever, and I made them a little bit thicker. This one's just too thin for me. I don't like it, but it works. Till next time folks, catch y'all later.